Hey, hi, how are you? Welcome back to the Food Goodie. Okay, so today we're gonna make eggplant parmesan. So basically, here's your eggplant. I cut it in half because I'm gonna show you two ways of doing it. You can leave the skin on, which holds it together, or you can peel it. So I'm gonna show you. You could peel it this way, get rid of some of the skin if you don't want, if you don't want the skin. Some people like the skin. So we would do something like this, just to give you an idea. Doesn't have to be perfect. I'm cooking with what I have on hand and cooking on a budget. Once you put sauce on it and cheese, the kids will never know the difference unless you tell them and if they see you. So, okay. So now, you get rid of these. Alright, now, unless you want to make eggplant chips, then you could save the skin, bread it, do the same method I'm going to show you, and fry it up, and the kids will love it. And they could put it in marinade sauce, and I will teach you how to make that at another time. So now, what you do, take your eggplant, put it in, this is 2 eggs with a little bit of milk. Put the eggplant in there like this. Breadcrumbs could be of any one that you like, but preferably Italian. You could add some panko to it so it makes it even crunchier or crispy or whatever. So you just go like this. You bread it, or you can buy old rolls. Sometimes they have them in the bakery. At the end of the day, you could buy really cheap, inexpensive bread, and you put in a food processor if you have it, and make your own breadcrumbs. That's another way too of saving. So see, this is all it is. And what it cost me was like 78 cents for this small eggplant. So, and the eggs. So you just do this, and actually it's healthy. If you don't want to put breadcrumbs, you could use flour. You could use cornmeal. You could use anything you want to coat it basically, but you have to use maybe an egg or a drop of milk just so that it adheres. If not, then just get it wet in a different shape or form. And there's a lot of things that you can actually do with it. Or a drop of olive oil if you want. And basically fry it in an inexpensive vegetable oil. Also goes a long way. Because the prices today of things are just way too expensive. So, it's very difficult today. But this is, you do something like this. Meatless meal. This is also. You can make spaghetti on the side. But I'm going to show you basically what you do with the eggplant. And for some people that they don't know or understand how do you make eggplant parmesan. So I'm trying to help you. And, all on a budget. But when you have a lot of kids, it's, it's very tough. I know, I raised 5. So, I'm going to make different type of meals for people. And my one son says he doesn't eat eggplant. He's 23. He doesn't eat eggplant, but however, he was eating eggplant parmesan a week ago, and he didn't even know it was eggplant parmesan. I told him it was chicken. So he believed me, and he ate it. He said it was delicious. So that goes to show you that sometimes you have to fool the person. So that's it. So I'm going to show you now how to do that. And the same thing with the one that's skinless. Cut it up. I didn't do so good on that one, but anyway, so you just cut it like this. These are seeds. It's okay. And just continue. Eggplant is a tricky thing, but try to buy it when it's like firm. And the big ones are okay, but they're more bitter. And this is not the tiny one either. So you just go like that. Save some time. Leave that one there. And this is what you do. Just so you can get it breaded. This is my method, but everybody has their own. And I tried doing it like in a plastic bag or whatever. Doesn't work because they don't all get coated. There's many different meals that you can make with an eggplant. But today I'm making Parmesan. So you could use any sauce, or you could make a sauce. I could show you how to make a sauce for many different things, even for the kids. Or for the adults too. So just bear with me. I'm almost done already. Gee, this is quick. So you don't have to stay in the kitchen all day. But it's light. A lot of people say they don't eat eggplant, but you should try it. Okay, so now you're gonna take a pan, you're gonna put some sauce into it, whatever sauce you have on hand. You're gonna put a little bit of grated cheese. Then you're gonna take your cooked eggplant like this. It just has to get golden. You don't want it mushy. And you just layer it like this. However you gotta layer it. Doesn't have to be perfect. Just layer, layer, layer. Of course, if you're gonna do it peeled, you could do your own tray of peeled, but to me it doesn't matter whether it has a skin, whether, you know, it's peeled. So this is what I do. Just layer, put a little bit of sauce in between. Just so that the kids think it's pizza and they eat it. A little bit of grated cheese. You don't have to smother it with sauce, but just, you know, enough so that you just wedge everything into here like this. And put a little bit of the sauce. Okay. Just so it looks nice like that. Some people, they put ricotta in between. You can do that too. Anything you like. Anything you have on hand, or it's not going to cost you a fortune. And then you just go like this. You use a sauce of your choice, but in another video I'm going to teach you how to make the marinade sauce that you could use for a lot of different things, which will make it easier and it won't be as lumpy and stuff like that. But you could serve this or eat this in a sandwich or with salad or some spaghetti on the side using the same sauce. And it's a meal in itself. So you just, you know, constantly keep doing this till you have it, the sauce all over. And I'm going to tell you a little something as well. So because everything's on a budget, you don't have to break the bank like a lot of people do. And this will cost you a fortune to eat out. You could price it. So you're better off making it at home. So it could cost you roughly maybe like maybe let's say $10. Maybe not even. And this will feed a little family. Like if you have a couple of kids or whatever. You know. However, I don't know. Every kid eats differently. This is good for 3 adults. Depending on how you serve it. If you make it in the morning and let it stay, it's good. But this is something too you could do on a Sunday in the morning. And you just layer it. And you cook it on, bake it on 350 for like, till the mozzarella is melt. Let's put it that way. Just like pizza. See, kids think it's pizza. So, another thing, let me give you a tip. This mozzarella, please don't buy the shredded one when it comes shredded already. If you buy the block of the mozzarella, all you have to do, this is like half the block. What you do is hand grate it, And look how much it goes. The other one is so dry and you're not going to get the same results. See, I'll show you what I'm talking about. This little tiny hand grater you could use, or any size grater that you have, and you could grate half of the block and covers this. So it's, you're better off, penny, you know, money wise, because sometimes it's on sale for $3.99, and then you buy the package. It's 2 packages for $2.99, and it's just about half a block. But you get it better this way. It's more milkier. So until then, give me a thumbs up and a like. And now we're going to move on, and I'm going to make you a video with the chicken parmesan. Okay? So until then, give me some thumbs up, and I hope you enjoy it. And good luck. This is the eggplant parmesan, and this is what it's supposed to look like, unless you like it extra crispy. So give me 2 thumbs up, try it, and let me know what you think, if you enjoyed it. Okay? So until next time, thank you. Bye.